Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I am definitely still looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3, and I still think it needs to go up to at least a 161.8, which is about at the $2,550 area. I still think gold is going to end up looking something like this, which is probably going to take very long time to finish this move. So heading down to the weekly time frame is where you can start to break this down a little bit. I think this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then we're in a subdivision. This is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we are currently in a wave 3 still, which like I said, I still think has a lots and lots of upside potential. So going down to the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down for quite a while, but I think it's actually very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, probably a wave 5, which is probably going to stretch out towards that $2,500 area right around the 161.8. It actually looks to me like this right here is the end of a correction, probably the end of a wave 4. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it's not as impulsive up as I would like to see it, but I mean it definitely looks like 1 down, 3 up, 1 down, 50% Fibonacci bounce. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 4. It's just not really that impulsive, but that may change this afternoon. To me, it looks like either a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. If it is an ABC and this thing does make a very impulsive move down, then that's going to tell you that it cannot be a wave 3, and that would actually be a short for me. But as of right now, I would call it possibly a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. And until it proves otherwise, I would continue to look for longs. My next shorter time frame target is right around the 138.3, right around the $2,440 area. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it is definitely going up. It's just not really as impulsive as I would like to see. But I mean, until it proves otherwise by making a big impulsive move to the downside and holding below a structure level, which it definitely has not done, I would continue to look for longs. I'd be looking for pullback entries. I'd be looking to go long, and if it is a wave 3, then it will never break structure to the downside, but instead it will just keep making those higher highs and those higher lows. And I will definitely trade with the trend until proven otherwise, which it definitely has not proven that this trend is over as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.